is going to be 4. So it is 45,000. 45,000. Yes? 891. Our final stage. So as I said, the manufacturing account had 3 stages. The manufacturing section here, which is the direct cost, the factory overhead, and the third segment is the work in progress. So we're going to add the opening work in progress. The opening work in progress is up here. That is 955. 955. Let's do the addition. This is going to be 6, 9, and that's going to be 14. That is going to be 18. That's going to be 8 carry 1. That is 6, and this is 4. All right. Then we will less the closing work in progress. The closing work in progress is 870. When we subtract that, all right, we will be getting, let's write it here for space. That would be 6. That's going to be 14. That's going to be 7. That is going to be 17. That's going to be 9. Yes. That's going to be 5. And that's going to be 4. This is going to be the figure for your cost, what I refer to as cost of production. For space, I'm writing it here. All right, so our cost of production with this figure. All right, 45,976 would have been the cost of production. If for space, we could have recorded at the bottom. All right, so therein lies the manufacturing account. Thank you very much for sharing. We're going to be moving on to part 2 in a moment, and we're going to be showing you how we do the income statement, moving from the manufacturing account. We move from the manufacturing account to do the income statement and to deal with the other cost units such as administrative expense, selling and distribution expense, financial charges, etc. Thank you very much, and please like this video by clicking the button below. God bless.